Hello, this is Sam and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that some parts of the video that I'm going to be installing a Canards to the side of my car. The Canards is its main purpose is to reduce drag, control the airflow around the car, especially at high speeds. Um, it will help the car keep planted on the ground, especially in high speeds, where some of those canards as well as some spoilers will help redirect the air to keep the car planted on the ground. Alright, so enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell for more great content, and alright, so take it away, enjoy the video. Cheers.
So here it is the package that arrived. So that's how it looks once it's out of the package. It's killer, huh? As you can see, it's a carbon fiber. It's got the carbon fiber look. It looks badass. So yeah, these are the canards that is going to be my wing. I'm going to be put on the side of the car. And yeah, and there you go. There's a double adhesive tape, 3M at the back end. And to make it stick to the car, you have to put this. It's a glue gun. Just put some drops on them, preferably in the corners and in the middle. Just 3 drops, and then alright, so here it is, and here is what it looks like. As you can see, it's pretty badass. It is it's got the carbon fiber look, and yeah, it will look pretty sick when installed in your car, along with the Bodykits. You can see right there. Yeah, it's really great, and it will reduce drag. Right, the air will hit that canards, and then it'll flow up to keep the car planted. So here's the look at the other side. See the other side, right? And if I zoom it in, I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit, and then you will see that it looks sick. Right, look at that. It looks sick. Yeah, it is a carbon fiber texture. So yeah, so as you can see, if you are running at high speeds, it'll hit that canards and it'll make the air flow up. It does reducing drag and putting and planting your car to the ground. But not to mention, it looks good, as you can see right there. Alright, there you go. So it will hit the side, and the air will flow up right there. Yeah, so that will reduce drag. That's why it is important to have those installed on your car. Also, your Bodykits also reduce drag, because at the bottom it will also control the air at the bottom.